Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. If you think, as example, someone else accessed your Instagram account, or you simply want to sign out of all devices, you can remove them from your login activity. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile at the bottom right. From here, click on the three lines menu at the top right, and from there you would like to click on Accounts Center. So no need to do that at the moment, just click on X or skip. And from here, all you need to do, just go and click on Password and Security. So then scroll down until you find the security checks and click where you're logged in. So here you'll find your accounts as example. As you can see, three accounts for me, or three devices that I'm connected to. You will see for you the list of devices where your Instagram account is currently signed in. You can tap on the device that you want to remove and log out and confirm your choice. This will sign out your account out of that device, and anyone using it will need to log in again using your password. So, as an example, if I click on this option, I'll find here. So here I do have the Windows PC, iPhone, and example, the Android there. If I want to like sign out of a specific device, click on it. And yeah, I do have as example this device. It's connected as example, or it's logged in into my account at that exact time. If I want to log it out, just click on select devices to log out. Choose that device, click on log out, and click on log out. And the device will be logged out without an issue. So they'll ask you here as example for your security, please re-enter your password to continue. So they can understand it's the real you. Just go and enter your password. So just enter your password and you should be good to go. Keep in mind that if you used Facebook or Instagram to create this account, you may need to create a password for it to continue. You will find it at the top. So click on create a password first and you will be able to create one. They will send you as example an email at your Gmail. So go and create a password, then use it to log out this device. Once you create that password, basically you can click on continue. If it's the right one, you'll be logged out from the device that you chose. So as you can see, I just entered the right password and you have been successfully logged out from that device. You can do that with any other device as you can see. So click on that. As you can see, this is for Instagram, this is for Facebook. Click on it and choose any device that you don't like or you don't want. For example, just do that the same for this one. Click on logout as example. You'll be able to log out from it. Click on logout. Since you just recently entered your password, they will not ask you to do it again. And you've been successfully logged out on the selected devices. You can do it for any other device. And keep in mind that if you notice the device or location that you don't recognize, it's a good idea to change your Instagram password immediately and enable two-factor authentication from the password and security menu. This will add an extra layer of protection and helps keep basically your account secure. So that's it for me in this video. If you find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.